Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to build an advanced online courier tracking website. Guys, in this video I'll be leaving no stone unturned. I'll be showing you guys step-by-step guide on how to build an advanced courier website. So guys, if you're new to my YouTube channel, please make sure you smash the subscribe button, like this video and share so that other people can benefit from a video like this. So guys, here is the courier tracking website which we'll be using in this video. So this is the home interface. I'm just going to refresh. So guys, this is the home page, an awesome home page whereby we have the home, authors, our service, get quotes, track your shipment and contact us. These are the basic nav bars a standard courier tracking website should have. And then we deliver on time, join the millions getting bargain deal on shipping cars, furnitures, freight and more. So these are the things that can be shipped. We have air freight, we have road delivery, we have sea shipping, we have railway network. Here we have welcome to white delivery depository service, and then we have 100% safe delivery, weather insurance, fast and on time delivery. And then here we have our awesome service. Under our awesome service we have air freight, we have sea freight, we have road freight, and we have courier service, fast freight, track cargo, guys. And then here we now have years of experience, professional workers and so on, guys. This is an awesome front end, guys. We have a professional team whereby we have team. So guys, here we have, are you a sender, check package, and here we also have, are you a shipper, contact us. And finally we have the footer for the home page, guys. This is powerful. The front end is looking really good, guys. And then now we have the about us page, and we have our service page, we have the contact us page, we have the get quotes, we have the track shipment. So under about us we have white van delivery depository service and so on. This is just a summary of how the about us page looks like. And then we have the Google Translator integrated on the website, and we also have our services. So under our services, let's see the features we have the sea freight, air freight and others, guys. And then let's see how the track your shipment page looks like. So guys, let's go ahead and then track a shipment and then see how the tracking section looks like. I'm just going to click on track shipments, and then I'm going to put in a tracking number, guys. I'm going to put this AWB644157407, and then I'm going to click on track your shipments. Great, guys. So on the results page we have sender details, we have receiver details, we have track and trace shipments, we have waybill with the tracking ID, we have shipment details and so on. The total charge for this shipment is $105,000, guys. So let's click on print invoice and see how it looks like. I'm just going to click on print invoice, and then we have a receipt like this, guys, whereby you can just go ahead and then save, guys. Even have an official stamp. This makes it very legit, guys. Just going to go back, and then we are back to the home page, guys. So on the home page we have the enter track ID here. I'm just going to put in the tracking ID again and then click on track now, and then boom, we have this same result, guys. So guys, this is basically how the front end of this courier website looks like. Let's see how the admin interface looks like and see its features. Just going to come here and then write login.php, guys, and then hit enter, guys. So here I have admin and then password and then authorize. I'm just going to click on authorize, and then it says invalid details. I'm just going to put my complete password, which is 1234567 and then I'm going to click on authorize, guys. And then guys, here we are on the admin dashboard. I'm just going to click on update password. So at the left sidebar we have the main menu, we have quote shipment, we have list of shipments, we have delivered shipments, we have search and edit, we have change password, and then we have logout. Here we have pending shipments, we have all shipment, we have complete shipments, and then here we have why are we the best. So here we have copyright and so on, guys. I'm I'm just going to go ahead and then click on create shipment. So on create shipment, I'm going to put in a random shipment name, and then I'm going to put in shipment phone number. Just going to be using a random value on this form, and then I'm going to put the location, let's say United States. So guys, here this shipper's location should have your shipper's location, guys. And then we have receiver phone number, we have receiver email. I'm just going to be using random value. And the mode of payment, I'll just leave cash on delivery. Type of package, I'm just going to use documents. I'm going to scroll down. Weight, I'm going to use, let's say, 60. Quantity, I'll use 40. Mode of transport, I'll still leave it as air freight. And then total charge, I'm going to use 600. Departure dates, just going to write the date in this format, 12th September 2024. Just going to copy this and then paste on estimated delivery dates. So origin service area, I'll still use United States, guys. So here I'll just go back and then edit here and then put, let's say, a state in the United States, let's say Delaware. I'm going to scroll down and then go ahead and then click on create shipment. But before that, we haven't put our destination area. Let me just put Ghana also, and then I'm going to click on create shipments. So guys, so easy. We've successfully been able to create our shipments, which is this. And this is our consignment number, which is our tracking number. We have origin United States, we have destination Ghana, department dates, we have 12th September 2024, and then we have pickup dates 12th September 2024 also. And then these are the rest of the shipment I have created on this website. So guys, to be able to update the shipment status, I'm just going to come here where you find update status. I'm going to click on update status, and then I'm going to scroll down. So I'm just going to click on description, and under description I'm going to select any of this item, guys. And then after that, I'm going to put in my new location, the current date, current time, new status, on hold, delayed, cancelled, and others. And then we have current state, and then you go ahead and then click on updates. So this is basically how you can update a shipment on this platform. So on the right hand side we have delete, and then we also have print invoice. So guys, on our left hand side we have delivered shipments, and under delivered shipment we have none yet because none has been delivered. And then under search and edit we have enter consignment number and then hit submit. So guys, next we have search and edit. And under search and edit, all you need to do is to enter your consignment number and then hit submit, guys. And then we have change password, whereby you can change the admin password directly from the admin dashboard. And then all you need to do is to click on change password. And then finally we have logout on the admin interface. So guys, this is basically how the admin interface looks like. So guys, the question is, how do I design a Courier website like this? I've made a promise in this video that I'll be leaving no stone unturned. I'm going to be showing you guys step-by-step guide on how to do this. So guys, sit back and relax. So the first thing I'm going to do is to go to my cPanel. So to be able to have access to your cPanel, you must have purchased a domain name and a hosting. In case you have no idea about that, you need to have a domain name and hosting. So I'll just go to my cPanel, which is whitevondigital/cPanel. So guys, here's my cPanel login interface. I'm just going to go ahead and put my username and then password and then hit login. So guys, currently now I'm logged into my cPanel. The first thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and then create a subdomain, guys. I'm going to come to domain, and then I'm going to hit the domains. And on that domain, I'm going to click on create a new domain, guys. So I'm just going to put shipments, or let's say Courier web. Yeah, since I already have Courier.whitevondigital, I'm just going to use this as Courier web. Then I'm going to hit submit. So I'm just going to wait while it automatically creates a folder for me. Great, it says you successfully created the new Courier web.whitevon digital. I'll go back to my cPanel, and then I'm going to scroll down and then come to file manager, guys. So under file manager, this is where I'm going to be uploading my scripts, guys. Just going to wait while this section loads. So I'm going to look for Courier web.whitevon digital, and then on this interface I'm going to upload my Courier scripts. All I need to do is to click on upload and then upload the scripts. So guys, the script has been uploaded successfully. All I need to do is to go ahead and then extract the script. I'll right click and then click on extract, and then extract files. Good, guys. Now I'm going to go to where we have Courier with map folder and then open this, and then here we have the database, which is DDS deliv underscore legit 1313. This is the database for the project. Just going to come here and then right click and then go ahead and then extract. Now I'm going to extract it in this folder, not this folder, guys. Then I'm just going to use the backspace and then click on extract files. So guys, files has been extracted successfully. The next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and then download this database. I'm just going to click on download so that this database can download. So the database have been downloaded successfully, which is awesome. So now I'm just going to go back, just going to use the backspace and then hit the backspace. So guys, here we have folders and files for the Courier tracking websites. And then the next thing we are going to do is to go ahead and then create a database for our project. So I'm just going to come to my cPanel and then come over here and then type my SQL in database wizard. Then I'm just going to click on this. So here I'm going to name this as Courier DB, guys. So I did Control A, Control C just to have a copy of this database name. So I've copied this. I'm just going to use Control Z to bring that back, because your database name is the whole of this, guys. The whole of this. These are your database name. I'm just going to click on next step, and then here I'm going to put in a username, which I'm still going to use the same details so that I won't get confused. And then my password, I'm also going to use the same details, and then my password again, I'm going to use the same details, and then go ahead and then create user, guys. So I'm just going to save this and then come here, all privileges, and then give all privileges, guys. And I'm just going to come to make changes. Great. So user whitevon Courier DB was added to the database. Now I'm just going to go back to return home, and then under return home I'm just going to come here and then type php my admin, guys. So I'm just going to wait while the php my admin loads. I'm going to locate the database which we just created, which is the whitevon underscore Courier DB. Then here I'm going to click on imports, and then I'm going to click on choose file. So guys, here is the database file which I have imported. I'm going to click on imports. Great. So we have success messages that import has been successfully finished. So these are all our success messages for the imports. So guys, we have our database files. Let's go ahead and connect our database to our projects. So guys, in this folder where we have our subdomain, I'm going to make my PHP configuration to my database. I'm going to click on includes, and under includes I'm going to click on connection.php and then right click and then click on edit. So here I'm just going to come over here and then paste my database name, and then I'm also going to come over here and then paste my database name, and then come over here and also paste my database details, guys, and then I'm going to click on save changes. So this has been done. So let's go ahead and then make edits to our website, such as changing logo and so on, guys. And we are going to scroll down and then look for index.html, guys. So we have index.html here. I'm going to right click and then click on edit. So now under the edit, I'm going to be making changes to wherever I say Delaware to the name of my website. So let's say the name of our website is white delivery also. Great, guys. So I'm just going to copy this and then click on Ctrl F and then look for anywhere there's Delaware. So if I want to change my email, I can just change this to whitedelivery.com. So let me just scroll down and look for where they are Delaware. So here we have Delaware. I'm just going to highlight this and then paste. And then I'm also going to click on enter to look for where there are more Delawares. So we have one here. I'm just going to highlight this and then paste this here. Then I'm going to keep looking for where there are Delaware. We have another here. And then I'm just going to keep looking for. So we have another here. Let's keep looking for, if we can find. We have another here. And then we have another here. And then let's see if we also have, we have another one here at the footer. And then finally we have another at where we have the copyright. So I'm just going to replace this and then change this 2023 to 2024, guys. And then I'm just going to click on save changes. So guys, changes has been saved. So guys, let's go ahead and then change our logo image. I'm going to click on images, the folder images, and then locate logo.png. So here we have logo.png. I'm going to go ahead and then delete this and then confirm. And then I'm going to click on upload and then go ahead and then upload our new logo. So guys, the new logo has been uploaded. I'm just going to scroll down and then change this yellow fast to logo.png, guys. I'm going to write logo then .png. So also wherever you find logo-small, make changes and then use the new logo you want to use for your website. And after that, I'm just going to click on Ctrl H and then clear cache. So I'm going to clear cache for the last 1 hour, so which is this, and I'll hit on clear cache. So I believe that is done. Then I'll go ahead and visit our website, which is courierweb.whitevondigital.com. Then I'm going to hit enter, guys. We have our new website which we've just created installed successfully. Have our edit, which is the new logo which we've made, and so on. So guys, this is basically how to design an advanced Courier website. So to get the script used in this video, check the description of this video. You will find a WhatsApp link and also a contact you can reach out to. Do well to click on those links and make a request for the script. So guys, if you know you enjoyed this video or you find this video helpful, please make sure you smash the subscribe button, like this video and share so that other people can benefit from this video. See you guys in my next video. Bye for now.